Doja.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two fam told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Try to sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need to slow down.
My king, queen, prince, and prince, man. It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with another video, man. As y'all see, man, your boy got a package today. Boy got another sponsor. Hellcat, why about it, man? But the boy got another sponsor, man. So yeah. With that being said, with a company called Suma. So yeah, man, I'm gonna unbox this, let y'all see what they sent me, man. That being said, oh yeah, by the way, man, giveaway. About to do my $100 giveaway. I'm gonna go live, so y'all stay tuned for that. And when I'm gonna go live, what time I go live, man. So after I figure out what time I can go live, y'all stay tuned for that. I will be posting it. So you can follow me on Instagram, add me on Instagram, man. Court, aka YK Slim, man. So y'all go add me, man. By the way, right here. So this is what they sent me, bro. A ceramic spray. Nozzle to go with it. What it is? Air freshener. Also sent out air freshener too. And of course it comes with stickers, you know. White sticker, black sticker, and a red sticker. Also came with this sticker also. Yeah, man, I can't try it out because it's so cold outside, so I'll probably wait to try it out. But y'all just stay tuned for that. But this is an unboxing, so I'm just giving y'all a little quick review on what they sent me. And if you want to try it out yourself, like I said, the link will be in the description, man, for you to order that. So yeah, man, I said it's supposed to be easy to apply on your vehicle, man. They said the best way to do it, you do it while it's wet, man. So wet your car, then spray it all, man. Wipe it down, man. Say it lasts for like 6 months. 6 months, bro. So I'm gonna try it. Get y'all just stay tuned for another video. You know me, I always do updates, man. Just like I did with my floor mats and like I did with my lights, man. I always give y'all update, man. So yeah, like I said, man, you wanna get some, you wanna try it out, man. You wanna go to their website, man. Check them out. You seen the package they packed it up right, man. They packed it up pretty good for me. I know more company, man, they go ahead and just throw everything in there. But yeah, man. That being said, thank you, man, for watching this quick video, man. So like I was saying, man, apply it on your vehicle wet. Then you get better reviews, man. You apply it on your vehicle wet, man. Shows better. Lasts long, man. Lasts up to 6 months, man. Say it lasts up to 6 months. So you want to check them out on Instagram, man. I said, the link will be in the description, man. You can check them out on Instagram. Also, you want to go ahead and order your song. The link to order your song will be in my description down low, man. Go ahead. You will get a 10% discount, man. Use my promo code. Use my promo code. It's going to be Court10. So type in Court10, man, to get you a 10% discount, man. So like I said, you can go check them out, man. They got like car parts too, man. Car parts and car care. So man, go check them out. Like I said, the link will be in the description, man. First time to the channel, man, hit the subscribe button for me, man. Boy, finally hit 1K subscribers, man. 1K, finally hit it, bro. I will be doing my giveaway. Y'all stay tuned for that for more details on that also. I said, man, appreciate everybody, man, for this journey. Appreciate y'all, but I couldn't do it without y'all. With that being said, man, it's your boy Court, aka YK Slim.
Doja.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like two fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Freaky little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more